Come on, baby.
Yay!
Football. Oh.
Nano, are you playing basketball? Whoa! Oh, you dropped it.
Be careful.
Milano, wait, look! There's birdies! There's that one. Look!
Chris,
Huh?
look, someone is in there.
Someone's not in there.
No, someone is in there.
Oh, that's a wood duck. Oh, that one looks angry. Scary.
They must have been here. Look. Oh, Chris.
That's what the birds do?
Yeah.
This is a African ringneck parrot.
Look. Chris, Chris.
Huh? That one.
Look at this.
Whoa.
Look at this one. Chris.
Huh?
Look at this one.
That's what's that one? That's a chicken.
Oh, it's hot out here.
No,
They're gonna bite you.
Don't put your fingers in there. They're gonna bite you.
Look! No, it's not in there.
Oh, those are resting because it's hot. You wanna go look at the peacocks?
No. Yes.
Yeah?
Oh, look, more.
Yeah.
It's a spirit.
What?
Found Pikachu.
Really?
Yeah.
Crabbo says she found Pikachu.
Yeah. Come here.
Alright, let's go look at Pikachu. There's no Pikachu.
He's right there.
Oh yeah, look at it.
It's freaking Pikachu.
They do kind of look like Pikachu. Look at it.
You eat us?
No, it's a baby goat. It's gonna bite you. Look at the baby goat. You wanna go look at the horses or anything else?
Yeah, horses.
Yeah? Okay, hurry. You're feeding the goat? Feed the goat.
Oh.
Look, there's a goat. The sheep bit you?
The big sheep is nasty.
That big sheep is nasty? Look, there's a sheep, a pony. Did you already see the pony?
It's pooping.
Oh. I'm feeding the horses. Emiliano! He came eating all these fruits. Blueberries. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Gotta take off your shirt because it was too hot, huh? It was like 98 degrees. Hey, run, baby. Look, jumping pillow. Hurry, go, 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 go. Come on. Okay, hurry, go, 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 go. Jump, Emiliano. Say hi.
Hi.
Go more over there. Whoa. Look like this. Oh.
Yeah, pop it.
Good boy.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
What do you mean? You already started the video. You already started the video. You already did the intro. But again, y'all want those little golf carts? Come on, let's go. Say hi, Christabel. Angel, say hi.